Hey, good morning to YouTube. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are off to Lake Louise area to do
Beehive.
Big Beehive Trail. Marilyn's joined us, and we have the two hounds back there. It's about 2 hours away. Had a bit of a rest stop here. I guess there's worse places to be. Through right up there. That's Castle Mountain. So, Lake Louise. Not much to write home about. Yeah. Haven't been to Lake Louise in the summertime in a very long time. We have the hotel. It's called Chateau Lake Louise. Beautiful hotel. Yeah, with the spectacular view, the hotel. First, we are going to Lake Agnes and then the Beehives. Pretty straightforward trail here. Oh, I'm just talking to myself. I'm talking to the millions of people out there.
But just to be able to go off and not have it as busy as it is now. Yeah.
One of the first viewpoints of Lake Louise. Down below. We're approximately 3K in. We're at Mirror Lake. Never been up here. Oh, perfect for the four-legged friends here. And which one's this? Big or Marilyn?
I don't know if the big one is the tallest or it's the biggest.
Okay, and here we go. We don't know if this is the big Beehive or little, but we think it's big. Not only big, but freaking cool. There's some other four-legged company. Oh! Can't really see it through there, but I wonder what glacier that is.
That's Victoria.
That's Victoria Glacier right there. Victoria Glacier. That's the Beehive. We're going to the top of that. Our poor border collie was rearing behind the horses. And he was losing his marbles. He had a job to do. Now we're ahead and he doesn't realize they're behind us, which is a good thing. Because he was pulling my poor wife and dragging her up the hill. Here we go. Bit of a traffic jam. Most mountains don't have stairs on them. Yeah. But we have there we go. We have the Lake Agnes Tea House. Stop for a spot of tea. Oh, no way.
Get a drink.
Oh, huge.
Lie down, Huge. Huge, lie down. Oh, get a drink, bud. Can you get my water bottle out into the second?
Yeah. Oh my God. And just up here, we have the Beehive. What a magnificent view. Holy mackerel. Boy, you out of the depths. So we are gonna follow this little bit of trail around the lake, Lake Agnes. And then we're going up a little bit of a ski slope there, and then up the side of Beehive. Oh, look back there, hon.
This is just incredible.
Yeah.
Like Moraine is as well, but this is like pretty spectacular as well. And
Yeah,
this is
imagine the
this is
sunrise.
Lake Agnes, right?
Yeah, sunrise on this.
Yeah.
A little bit. Okay, just an okay view, I guess. Chateau Lake Louise. Lake Louise. Unbelievable view. Oh, and by the way, everyone on YouTube there, I hit 100 subscribers yesterday. Amazing. Thank you to everyone, anybody who's watched even 30 seconds of any one of my videos, and thank you to all 100 subscribers. I am just loving putting content on YouTube, and I will continue to do so. Even if I didn't get any more subscribers, I still love to do it. Capture some of this beauty that we have close to us here.
Yeah, it's like pulling me up too. It's kind of nice, actually.
Yeah, we're leaving.
We're gonna steal your spot.
It's so beautiful.
Hey, okay view, I guess. Seriously, people, this is beautiful up here. I say that about every place, but it is so true. We are very, very lucky to live where we do. Now we're going back now. There we go. Lake Agnes, a little bit better of a view there. I'm not going to film the way down, but that's the tea house, the other end of Lake Agnes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Will help out the channel for sure. Have a great rest of your day. Peace. You get him, Holly. You get him. Good girl. And we're back. How's that, ladies? Thumbs up?
That was fabulous.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just under 11 kilometers.
It's getting
760 meters, 770. Oh, whatever. Not too strenuous.